Do not come any further. Get away from me. Hey, please stop. I have a gun. I have a gun. Stay away. Right here. Get out of here. Move it! Get out of here. I will shoot. I'm gonna pull it. You better move it. 3, 2, 1. Little girl. She was dead? I'm a horrible person. I'm gonna go to jail. Okay, this is not okay. Okay, let's see. What do I do? What do I do? My life is ruined. Okay. I gotta think of something. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let's start with just taking your body, and I'll think of something at home. Yeah. What do I do? Oh, I'm so going to jail. Okay. 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 I'm going to jail, aren't I? We're gonna find a dead body in my garage. Okay. The trash bag, I'll put her in a trash bag. They're just gonna find a dead person in a trash bag. And then I'm gonna go to jail. Oh. I need to make her look like garbage so no one suspects anything. I can't just add garbage to a trash bag. I'll chop her up. And then I'll put it in the trash bag. And I'll send it away with garbage. And everything will be completely fine. It will all be good. Okay, trash bags. Here we go. Hold up. I need to get the saw first. Where's the bag gone? Why is the bag? What happened to the bag? They just took out the trash. The trash is still here. And the bag's gone. No. What happened to the bag? Just losing my mind. No, 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 no. my left shoulder.